Hello, I am Luo. Today, another idiom related to snakes. 杯弓蛇影。杯 cup, 弓 bow, 蛇 snake, 影 shadow. According to some accounters, the story is said to have occurred in the Donghan. A man has invited his friend to his house for a drink. He might be good at archery because there is a bow hanging on the wall. Food and drinks were placed on the table, and his friend sat with his back to the bowl. The afternoon sunshine on the bowl causing the small snake that's painted on the bowl to be reflected in the cup. His friend felt disgusted when he saw the little snake in the cup, but he still forced himself to drink it. After returning home, the friend felt sick. He kept vomiting and lay in bed, unable to get up. Our protagonist feels strange. He thinks there might be something wrong with the food and drinks, so he checks that all, but finds nothing. He visits his sick friend to find out what is going on. His friend said to him, "I think I drink the liquid with a worm in it." When our protagonist goes home confused, he checks them all once more. Suddenly, he notices a bowl on the wall and a snake painted on the bowl. Then he moves a cup to the seat where his friend was last sitting, and he figures it out. Our protagonist invites his friend again and lets him sit in the same place. He gives his friend the same cup and asks, "Did you see anything strange this time?" His friend looks at the cup and says, "Yes, just like last time." He laughs and explains to his friends, "It's just a replication of a bowl with a snake painted on it." We use this idiom to describe being afraid because of an imaginary fear. Similar idiom we have 风聲鶴唳. 風聲, the sound of the wind. 鶴唳, the cry of cranes. This idiom comes from 晋书卷79谢安列传. During the 淝水之战, the defeated army fled in haste, and everyone was terrified. The fleeing army suspected danger at the slightest noise. Even the sound of the wind and the cry of the cranes, all of which made them think they were being followed. The idiom describes a state of extreme nervousness, fear, or suspicion, in which even the slightest sound can cause alarm. We use 杯弓蛇影 when we say the fear is caused by illusory things. When the fear we want to talk about is caused by external situations, we use 风聲鶴唳. 有些家长反对儿童看恐怖电影，是因为怕他们会杯弓蛇影，吓坏了自己。Some parents object to their children watch horror movies because they are afraid their children will be frightened by their own illusions. 专家推估会有更大的地震发生，一时间风声鹤唳，惊慌的灾民们变得更加不安。Experts are predicting a larger earthquake. Immediately, the people affected by the natural disaster become even more anxious because of the news. Now, let's have a quick review. 杯弓蛇影. Fear is caused by illusory things. 风聲鶴唳, a state of extreme nervousness, fear, or suspicion in which even the slightest sound can cause alarm. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.